Hi, I'm Mario and I'm the product manager here at Logical Choice Technologies. We're very excited and honored to be a part of this bid process. We're going to introduce some amazing new technology into education along with our partners Samsung, Pearson, and Meraki. Samsung has this great new device. It's called the Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1, and it comes with the S Pen, which is pressure sensitive. There's nothing like it in the market today. It's going to make your students and your teachers and your administrators even more productive than you could possibly think of with a tablet device. Logical Choice Technologies is solely dedicated to serving the education market. And being in business as long as we have, we've had plenty of opportunity to talk to teachers and administrators about what's going to be the best solution for their classroom. This is exactly why we're leading with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1. And to show you a little bit about this, first we start with this S Pen. It's different from other styli that you've used in the past because it's pressure sensitive, not just touch sensitive. And how that makes a difference, I can show you right here in this application called SNote. Now again, SNote is a part of the solution set that we're offering through Logical Choice. So it comes included on the tablet. In SNote, you can create notes, you can create lesson plans, and students can actually create homework and projects all within this one program. And to demonstrate how this S Pen works, I'm just going to choose a large brush and show you that this pen is actually pressure sensitive. If I write with a very light stroke, you'll notice I get a light stroke on the paper. If I push a little harder, I get a wide stroke. I also get everything in between. This helps the Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1 mimic actual handwriting, which makes writing on the note very quick and fluid. So I'm just going to choose a pencil here and write. And you'll notice that is actually my handwriting. Now beyond that, when we create lesson plans, we don't actually write in our own handwriting, and when our students turn in assignments, we would prefer that they print out all of their text. So what you'll notice is I did just use my natural handwriting, and it immediately transferred my handwriting into text. Now what you saw underneath here was a pop-up. Under here we have the ability to use other applications on top of this particular application. So let's say I'm working on a math assignment. I can select calculator, and this application will actually float on top of the surface of my workspace. And I can simply X out. So that just makes this even more powerful. Beyond that, we also have shape recognition. If you're doing triangles, if you're doing rectangles and funny shapes, whatever you can come up with, the Note will register that. Let me clear my screen very quickly and show you one last bit here. This is a formula editor. It's also talked about in section 661. And if we were learning something like, for instance, y squared plus x squared is equal to 9, you'll notice that it took my handwriting, created a print version of it that is much more legible for the classroom. And if I were to hit search, I'll show you one more function here. And this is the side-by-side computing, where on this side I'm actually producing a document. On this side I'm researching that document. It immediately opens up Wolfram Alpha because it noticed that this is actually a mathematical searchable term. You see my input. It lets you know that this is actually a geometric figure, which is in fact a circle. So now students can recognize, oh, all this here actually means a circle. Now beyond that, for our more advanced students, we can talk about integer solutions and also implicit derivatives and so on. And if our students would like to incorporate any parts of this output over here, like perhaps we need to add this graph into our work here on the left, we can simply do that by depressing this button on the stylus, tapping and holding on the screen. You heard the little snapshot. And then I can select my cropping tool to eliminate all of the extra parts of this that I don't necessarily want. I hit done, and then all I have to do is drag and drop into my document. Now I can move this image anywhere I want in my document by just simply grabbing it, moving it. I can even resize this if necessary. So those are just some of the quick features of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1. We're very excited about this product. We think it's going to make a humongous difference in education. It's going to change the way our students learn. And we have the PD and training to help you maximize the potential with all of those applications. And it's all delivered by us and by our partners at Pearson. Meraki, on the other side, has the networking and infrastructure that you need in your classroom. It's completely cloud-based, which means you don't have to add personnel. It's very flexible. You can even manage your systems from your Galaxy Note. It's a pretty amazing system. So we're very excited to be a part of this process with you. Thank you very much for the opportunity, and we look forward to doing business with you.